Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the taps in your bathroom, and you'll be grateful. Once you apply a little bit of Vaseline to the taps in your bathroom, you won't stop thanking me. But first, I will teach you a very easy trick to unclog any pipe or sewage from your bathrooms, using a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. To start, you are going to put only a tablespoon of baking soda in the sewage. Then add white vinegar. You will notice that it will immediately start to foam up. That means it is working. After a few seconds, when it has filtered through the pipes, add a cup of hot water. Then pour a cup of hot water down the drain. With this method, the pipes in your bathroom will be free of obstructions. Now for the main trick of this video, we will take a jar with Vaseline, and with the help of a dispensing palette, we will spread the entire tap with it. Then we take a piece of toilet paper and spread the Vaseline evenly all over the tap, ensuring it is well coated. And with this, your tap will be ready. Maybe you are wondering why you should do this. You will see. The bathroom has a lot of moisture, which over time causes the taps to develop rust and start to look unsightly. By applying Vaseline as described, your taps will maintain a like-new appearance for much longer. If you made it this far, leave emojis of taps so that I know you saw the full video. If this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips on home maintenance.